What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, travel highlights. And today we're coming to you from Aong here in Krabi, Thailand. It is late June, almost July, 2024. And I'm going to walk down to the beach. It's a beautiful day here. Let us know where you're tuning in from today. So I've now been in Aong, or Krabi I should say, for about a week. I'm waiting on a package to come from the US. And it takes some time, even if you overnight it. So I've stayed in a couple different areas. I stayed at the Sofitel, I stayed at the Dusitani, the Beyond Krabi Hotel. And then I came back here to Aong, which seems to be my base camp, I would say. I was so close to Hong Island over there by the Sofitel. I could see Hong Island. That's the big ticket in town. Everyone tries to go to Phi Phi, but you need to go to Hong. A little bit hot today. Got a suit tailor here. Maybe we'll stop and get a massage one of these places. Let's see. Yeah, Let's Relax across the street looks nice, but we'll keep pushing. Oh wow, they can take you over there. Look at all those islands. That Hong Island is the one. Also, the Four Islands tour is pretty good. It was a hot one today. Vacation Village, Pranong Inn. It's a good location. Hello. Other side of the road, cannot. Other side. Long tail boat. Go to Relay. Get your ticket to Relay Beach here. But actually, they have to take you on the tuk-tuk to the in one of those Aong taxis.
How many people are you? Oh, they're gonna be so surprised.
To the pier. So here we are at Aong Beach. There's two sides to the beach, obviously. There's this side and over there. I was way out over there on that peninsula where it wraps around, actually. So I was quite far away. Over that way is Relay Beach. There's lots of attractions here. There's lots to do here. There's the 4 islands, Chicken Island, Float Island, and all that. Krabi is a magical place, I tell you. I've been here many times. This is like my 4th time to Krabi. 4th or 5th time, actually. Spent weeks here. I'm surprised this place didn't get discovered like Phuket did. But it's getting there. I'm just saying, I'm surprised that this place didn't become more famous than Phuket first. Phuket's nice. Stayed at that hotel there. So anyways, we'll keep walking around. I'm just showing you around this side of the beach. Okay, so we're back out onto the beach and the road here. It's a beautiful day, I'll tell you. There's people out here swimming in the Aong beach. What we'll do is keep walking the road here. I've also got a beach channel, Island Hopper TV Beaches. Where we've highlighted so many beaches from across Thailand, including Relay. Today's just a perfect day to go to Relay or Hong Island. I mean, you can see all the boats out there. Lots of boat traffic today, as it should be on a beautiful day. And it's a beautiful day because it's rainy season, and it rains a lot during rainy season. These guys are always on the lookout for stray dogs, I guess. Let's go across the road here. Good food, good food. Maybe later, Cup. Hello. Hello, Sawadee Cup. What do you got going on here? So you could literally walk this whole road to Aong here. And there'll be markets upon markets upon markets, bars and pubs. It's a nice shot there. And if you're looking for some really good Indian food here, Nuri India. I had the garlic chicken, so good. Oh my gosh. Yes, I know everyone loves Thai food, but wow. Some Indian food here is just absolutely incredibly good. So I mix it up between Indian food and Thai food. And believe it or not, I even mix in a little late night snack with some McDonald's. Because if I'm drinking alcohol, I don't want to go to bed on a full stomach of beer. I'll hit a McDonald's for a cheeseburger combo real quick. Probably not the best for weight gain, but helps me to wake up the next morning without a hangover. This is actually a good place right here. This is Crazy Gringos. I've eaten right here. They do like dancing and stuff right here. I think they actually have a hostel, so you can enjoy that when you show up. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. Look at this bar place. Absolutely popping all night. So like I said, I mean, you could keep walking up and down here. It just keeps on going. Maybe I'll take a tuk-tuk back to where I began, the Holiday Inn. Check-in time. So that's a lot of Aong. We could show you more, but you get the idea.